also get ready with me for bed. Sorry I haven't been posting, guys. I've just been sorry, that kind of cut off. I've just been like really busy, and like I've been getting home really late and like not having enough time to do a get ready with me. But comment down below if I should do a get ready with me on TikTok. If the comments are on, because I swear they're never on. Guys, we're only 10 subscribers away from 50 subscribers, and also when I hit 50 I can go live. So guys, please subscribe. And now there's 3 minutes on YouTube, and I'm so happy because I actually have time to do my get readies with me. But anyways, guys, I'm so sad we have to go back to school after our Christmas and like New Year's break, but it was like all in one, like a Christmas break. But I didn't forget, but like I got home really late, so I couldn't do a get ready with me for school for like the first day back. And yeah, I couldn't find a brush anywhere, but I'm gonna have to go downstairs. But guys, look at the speaker I got, and I'm so happy. I got it for Christmas too. And yeah, and I got this case for Christmas. It's like a mini of the like big speakers. And guys, once we get in the case, like in the thousands, then I will do like a shout out and give y'all like a recipe and say and all that. Please subscribe. Bye guys. But I'm still so happy that I have 40 subscribers.